Hello, I am Professor Ashish Dasaf Shinde, working as an assistant professor at NB Nawale Singhad College of Engineering, Solapur. Now continue with applications of op-amp. Last lecture we discussed regarding to the op-amp as a voltage follower, op-amp as adder circuit. Now next application, op-amp as a subtractor. Today we are going to discuss op-amp as a subtractor and op-amp as current to voltage converter, that is I to V converter. First application, op-amp as subtractor. The basic differential amplifier will work as a differentiator. See in a diagram. VA and VB, these are the input voltages applied at non-inverting input terminal and inverting input terminal respectively. RF, it is a feedback resistor connected in between inverting terminal and output. V0, it is the output of op-amp. RL, it is a load resistance. Plus VCC and minus V, these are the present to start the operation of op-amp. See here, a basic differential amplifier can be used as a subtractor. Here for the differential amplifier, the output is given as, it is a basic definition according to the definition of differential amplifier, working of the differential amplifier. V0 is equal to RF upon R1 inside the bracket VA minus VB. VA, voltage applied at non-inverting terminal, VB, voltage applied at inverting terminal. RF, it is a feedback resistor. R1 we consider as the input resistor. If we take the same value for all the resistor, R1 is equal to RF is equal to R, then you will get V0 is equal to VA minus VB. According to this subtractor, that is the output voltage V0 is equal to voltage applied at non-inverting terminal minus voltage applied at inverting terminal. It is a op-amp as a subtractor, application of op-amp as a subtractor. Next, we have to study operational amplifier as current to voltage converter, that is I to V converter, current to voltage converter. Current to voltage converter, see in a diagram. I in, it is the input current source applied at inverting terminal. Non-inverting terminal is connected to the ground. IB, it is a current, input current for the op-amp. IF, it is a feedback current. RF, it is a feedback resistor. RL, it is a load resistor. V0, it is a output. Here we are going to apply for the current to voltage converter. I in, it is a current source or input current applied at inverting terminal. IB, it is a input current for the op-amp. IF, it is a feedback current. See the derivation. In the above diagram, V in is replaced by the current source I. See here, current source I. So the output voltage V0 is proportional to the input current In. Consider the voltage gain of the inverting amplifier. Already we know this derivation, voltage gain of inverting amplifier. V0 upon Vin is equal to minus Rf upon R1. It is the voltage gain. Rearrange this equation. Now, according to the virtual ground concept, V1, V2 is equal to 0. Put that value in above equation. You will get V0 is equal to minus Vin upon R1 dot Rf. So we can say that according to the Ohm's law, V0 is equal to minus In dot Rf. V0 is equal to minus In dot Rf. From the above equation, it is called as the current to voltage converter. We get the V0 in terms of the current, so it is called as the current to voltage converter. Application it is used in digital to analog converter, also used in a photo detector. Thank you.